Can you enjoy pancake without spiking your blood sugar? Let's make this keto pancake and then find out. Puree pumpkins. I never thought one day I'm gonna eat some puree pumpkins. Almond flour, some cottage cheese, some melted butter, baking powder, and then I'm gonna break my egg. I'm using 2 eggs actually. For the last part, it's gonna be some vanilla extract. Pour some. Now I'm gonna mix it. Alright, the first part is done. Now it's time to go to the kitchen. Alright, the pancake is ready. This is my fasting blood glucose. I'm at like a 94 right now. It's 2 serving size. The whole thing you can make up like up to 4 serving size. So I'm using 2 serving size right now to just test my blood glucose. So it's time to eat, and we'll see later how that's gonna affect my blood glucose. It's delicious. I'm not a great fan of pancake, but this is just amazing. Now let's see how this pancake affect my blood glucose. No spikes. That's the power of low carb and high fat ingredients. These keto pancakes aren't just delicious, they're blood sugar friendly. Try them and see the difference by yourself. And this is the end of the video. Subscribe for more tips on keto friendly food. Thanks for watching, and see you for the next episode.